In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send direct messages on Gmail updated. If you want a quick way to reach someone without leaving your inbox, Gmail has a built-in chat option that lets you send a direct, one-on-one message right from the page you're already using. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser. Once you're in your inbox, look over to the vertical sidebar on the right side of the screen. You'll see a panel with helpful tools, including contacts. Click the contacts icon to open your list. This brings up your saved people, so you don't have to type addresses from memory or jump to another site. In the contacts panel, pick the person you want to message. You can scroll to find them, or use the search bar at the top of the panel to locate them quickly. Click their name to open their contact details. This view shows action buttons at the top, and it's where you'll start the chat. At the top of the contact card, look for the chat bubble icon, usually labeled Chat. Click that chat icon to begin a conversation. Gmail will immediately open a small chat tab on the screen. This tab sits inside Gmail, so you can keep working through email while you talk. Type your message in the field at the bottom of that chat tab and press Enter to send. Your messages appear in the conversation thread above, just like a typical messaging app. You can keep the tab open as long as you need, and you can minimize it if you want to get it out of the way without closing the conversation. If the person isn't available, they'll see your message the next time they're active, and you'll see their reply right here. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Searching your contacts is often faster than scrolling, especially if you have a long list. If you don't immediately see the chat icon on a contact, try another contact or make sure you're viewing their full details panel. And remember, the chat window is lightweight by design, so it won't interrupt your email tasks. That's all there is to it. Open Gmail. Click Contacts on the right sidebar, select your person, hit the chat icon, and your direct message thread pops up. Keep this open for quick back and forths while you manage the rest of your inbox.